युनायटेड फोटोग्राफर्स आणि व्हिडिओग्राफर्स असोसिएशनाचो दुसरो वर्धापन दीस 28 तारखेक ताळगांवां जातलो. त्या निमतान फोटो प्रदर्शन आणि हेर कार्यक्रम जातले, अशी माहिती संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष ऑस्कर सिल्वान पणजेन घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेन दिल्या.
This is our second edition of our photo expo. Last year we had it in Porvorim. This year we are having it in Taligaon Community Hall. We have not left any stone unturned to publicize our show this year. जाता तितले आमी प्रयत्न करून marketing खूब केल्ले आसा using social media, and we have all the other people who are photographers. Not even we have gone to the extent of going to Kerala, Bangalore, and publicizing our show this year. We have got a lot of vendors also. Big companies are coming to participate. Plus, we have put up big shows. We're having an inter-college photography competition, plus fashion show, plus we have got one dance competition also, plus different photography competition along inside the hall itself, candid moments, for mobile users. Plus this year we are coming up with one scheme which is in Goa, not available as of now. It is called MESC.